Hey everyone, Tanya here. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope everyone's doing well. I'm excited today because I'm a part of a collaboration. It's called the Animal Print Decor Challenge, and it's hosted by Ant's Place. Ant's Place, she has a lifestyle channel. She does tablescapes, and her co-host is me, myself, and DIYing it. And that's Tammy, and she does DIYs and tablescapes, and she has a lifestyle channel. And I want to thank these ladies for hosting this collaboration. And the objective of this collaboration is to just use some animal prints in your decor. And as you see, I live with animal prints all day long. I've had this table set for almost 25 years. And you see, and the base of my table is elephants, and I have leopard print chairs. So when this collaboration came about, I'm like, this is right up my alley. So if you want to get some inspiration on creating a summer animal print tablescape, stay tuned. Okay, everybody, this is my completed animal print tablescape for the summer, and I'm really pleased with it because I like the white touches. It is summertime here, so mixing the animal prints with white and this white rattan centerpiece with the tropical leaves in there is a nice summery, beachy type of, or exotic type of arrangement. And I got these plates from, these are like 25 years old. They're from Studio Nova. Got them at a what is that, Mikasa store years ago. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you got any inspiration or learned anything from this video, I appreciate it if you hit the like button. And any new people, well, I want to first thank my current subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. And I want to give a shout out to the host, Aunt's Place, and her co-host, Tammy, and me, myself, and DIYing it. And any new people, I welcome you to subscribe. At the end of this video, you will see my picture pop up. Tap on my picture, hit that subscribe button, and you are subscribed. And then you'll see a bell. Hit that bell so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. I want to thank you guys so much, and let's keep rolling. Bye.